Just put some salt in Coca-Cola and you'll thank me for it. It's amazing. And look, it really is amazing. I added approximately a tablespoon of salt. Close the bottle and shake it vigorously. Pay close attention because this tip is really cool. Now let's open the bottle and transfer this Coca-Cola to a container. I have about 200 milliliters here. We're going to use this little bottle as a measure. Don't throw it away. Now let's add a tablespoon of salt and stir a bit. You guys need to see this tip. I'm sure Val haven't seen it on the internet before. You'll be surprised by the result. Next, we'll need a detergent of your choice. Let's add approximately 200 milliliters to the Coca-Cola bottle, and let's put it together with the Coca-Cola. Ever since I discovered this tip, I always do it at home. I no longer buy this product at the store. Next, we'll add water to fill half of the bottle and pour it into the container with Coca-Cola and detergent. Just mix it all very well. I'm sure you'll be impressed with the result of this mixture. Now we'll need an empty detergent bottle, but if you have another type of bottle, you can use it without any problems with the help of a funnel. Let's transfer all of this mixture, and believe it or not, it's ready. Look at the state of this pan. It's quite dirty with embedded grease. Just scrub it well, and you'll see all the dirt coming off, as if by magic. This product is simply wonderful. For those who didn't understand, what we just made here is a wonderful aluminum cleaner. That's right. Coca-Cola contains a substance that, when in contact with salt and detergent, removes any dirt from your pan and restores all the lost shine. You can use it on all types of pans, especially aluminum ones. In addition to cleaning, it will give an incredible shine. You will clean your pans with ease and leave them shining. And look at this result, folks. Amazing, isn't it? This product will make your day much easier, especially if you love to keep your pans clean and shiny. Try it at your home and then come here and tell me what you think. I'm sure you'll love it. For those who made it this far, give a rating from 0 to 10 for this tip. As I said, for those who like their pans shining like new, just make this mixture, which is not only simple, but also very cheap. Much better than those store-bought products. You will never look at Coca-Cola the same way again. That's our tip for today. I really hope you liked it. I'll be signing off here. Take care and God bless.